Hey, welcome back. So today I want to talk about something that a lot of small business owners and freelancers keep asking me about: accounting software, specifically which ones offer a free trial and which one is actually worth your time. And look, I've been through a few of these tools myself, so let me just be straight with you. Let's start with the one I personally recommend the most: Xero. Xero gives you a 30-day free trial, no credit card needed to get started. And honestly, the moment you log in, you understand why so many accountants and bookkeepers love it. It's clean, it's fast, and it doesn't feel like software made in 2005. What you get with Xero is pretty much everything a growing business needs: invoicing, bank reconciliation, expense tracking, payroll, tax reports, the whole thing. And it connects with over 1,000 apps, so if you're already using something like Shopify, Stripe, or PayPal, it plugs right in without any headache. The other thing I love, their mobile app is actually good. Like, you can send an invoice from your phone in under a minute. That matters when you're busy. If you want to try Xero for free, I'll drop my link below. It's etipipsegaza ecom builder insider. Comms go Xero, so go check that out, start the free trial, and see for yourself. Now, Xero is my top pick, but let me quickly mention a couple of others so you have the full picture. QuickBooks Online is probably the most well-known name in this space, especially if you're in the US. They also offer a 30-day free trial. It's powerful software, great for businesses that need a lot of reporting features. The downside: it can feel a little overwhelming if you're just starting out, and the pricing after the trial is on the higher side. Then there's FreshBooks, which is great if you're a freelancer or a service-based business. They give you a 30-day trial as well. It's simpler than Xero or QuickBooks, very beginner-friendly, and the invoicing experience is really polished. If you just need to send invoices and track time, FreshBooks is worth a look. And finally, Wave. This one is actually free forever for the core features: invoicing and accounting, no subscription, no trial period. The catch is it's more basic, and things like payroll and payments cost extra. But if you're just starting out and budget is tight, Wave is a solid option. So which one should you pick? Honestly, if you want something that scales with your business, looks professional, and has strong integrations, go with Xero. Start the free trial, play around with it for a few days, and you'll know pretty quickly if it works for you. The link is down in the description. etipsegaza ecom builder insider. Come go Xero. If you've already tried one of these tools or you have questions, drop a comment below. I read all of them. And if this video helped, hit that like button. It really does make a difference.